I found 11 high probable trade opportunities for the upcoming week. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another WMA video, weekly market analysis. As of every weekend on Sundays, I analyze the whole market for you, including Forex pairs, oil, metals, and cryptos, and after 6 days, together we check the results. Alrighty guys, enough bullshit, let's move on the fucking chart and see what's gonna happen. Let's go. Alrighty guys, moving on DXY's 4-hour chart, we get this nice channel plus these two nice static areas. And all I'm saying is that we're gonna have a pullback to this static area, and then we have to wait to see what's gonna happen. If the pullback was confirmed with a nice candle, it's gonna go up, but if the static area was broken, a pullback was made, it's gonna come down, at least touch the bottom line of the channel. Moving on oil's 4-hour chart, we got this static area plus this trend line. And still we have two scenarios. If the static area was broken, you can start looking for short trades, but if this was a double bottom and it wants to go up, wait for this trend line to be broken and then start looking for long trades. Moving on USD Cash Daily chart, we got this static area plus this trend line. The trend line was broken, a pullback was made both to the broken trend line and this static area, and all I'm expecting is that it's gonna come down right from here. Moving on Aud Jpy's 4-hour chart, we can see this double top here, plus the trend line was broken with powerful bearish candles, and on 1 hour we can see this correction to this trend move. And all I'm saying is that you can start looking for short trades after this static area's breakout and a possible pullback. On EuroJPY's 4-hour chart, we can see this opening diagonal which was broken from the top, then this correction, and here we have this static area plus this trend line. I'm expecting this because the major trend is bullish right now. I'm expecting this to break the trend line, then a possible pullback or a correction, and then it can keep moving up. But in case it didn't and broke this static area, you can start looking for short trades after a possible pullback. Moving on GBP CAT's 4-hour chart, as I told you last week, we had this nice channel plus these static areas, and the channel was broken. We are probably at the middle of a pullback. If the pullback was confirmed on this area, to the channel and to the static area, it's ready to go up after a triple bottom. But in case it failed the channel, and let me erase the channel, you can start looking for short trades after this area's breakout and a possible pullback. On GBP AUD's 4-hour chart, we can see this trend line was broken, which seems like the trend has changed. And plus this static area was broken, and you can start looking for long trades after a possible pullback to this area, to this static or to this dynamic area. Here we are on EuroAUD's 4-hour chart. We had this trend line plus this static area. The static area was broken last week. It seems like a possible pullback to the static area because of these reactions, but everything seems bearish, guys, right now. And you can start looking for short trades right now after this trend line's breakout. But in case it wanted to go up and broke the static area, you can start looking for long trades after this trend line's breakout. On AUD CHF's 4-hour chart, we got this. On AUD CHF's 4-hour chart, we got this nice bullish channel plus this static area, which seems like a double top. And we don't know what's it gonna do. If it wants to go up, wait for this trend line to be broken, then start looking for long trades. And if it wants to go down, wait for this channel to be broken, then a possible pullback, and then start looking for short trades. Moving on NZD CAT's 4-hour chart, we got this nice bearish channel, and we had this trend line which was broken last week. Here we have this static area here. And all I'm saying is that it's gonna come down, but in two scenarios. It may break this static area, then a possible pullback and then come down, or the other scenario is that it's gonna go up from here, make a pullback to the broken trend line, and then come down. On EURUSD's 4-hour chart, we get this opening diagonal plus these static areas, this one, and here we are right now. It's we have recently touched this static area, It might act as a reversal. If it wants to act as a reversal, wait for this trend line to be broken, then a possible pullback. But if this was the continuation of the bearish trend and this static area was broken, you can start looking for short trades after a possible pullback. Alrighty guys, as we saw on the chart, we got 11 really high probable trade opportunities for the upcoming week. Take care of your risk management, take care of your capital management. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, like, comment, and have a nice trading week, guys. Let's go!